Married. It's choreographed by Maddison Glover. It is a 32 count, 2-wall improver contra with a tag on wall 6 after the first 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about how it works as a contra dance and as well as what that tag is depending on the wall that you are facing. We'll then go around and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn. Let's get married. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to take your right heel, place it into the right diagonal. You're going to hook your right heel up to your left shin, place your right heel into the diagonal, hook your right heel up to your right shin, and then do a grapevine to the right, right side, left behind, right side, touch left. We're now going to repeat that to the left, so you're going to take your left heel, place it into the left diagonal, hook your left heel up to your right shin, place your left heel into the diagonal, hook your left heel up to your right shin, and then we're going to do a grapevine to the left, left side, right behind, left side, touch right. Let's try that with some counts. Starting with your weight on your left, you're doing your heel hook. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 2, we're going to do a mambo forward with our right foot, rocking that right foot forward, recover back onto your left, step your right foot back. We're now going to do a left coaster cross, step our left foot back, right together, cross left over right. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left and cross your right over your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right and cross your left over your right. Let's try it with some counts. Mambo forward, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as we do that, we're going to brush both hands down across our thighs. Now you're going to brush them both up across your thighs. You're going to touch your left next to your right and clap your hands. And then you're going to snap your fingers shoulder height. We're now going to repeat that to the left. So as you step to the left, you're going to brush your hands down across your thighs, brush your hands up across your thighs, touch your right next to your left and clap, and then snap your fingers. We're now going to do a toe heel stomp. So you're going to take your right toe, touch it next to your left, and as you do that, you're going to bring your right knee slightly in. You're going to put your heel out, pointing your knee out, and then step down onto your right foot. We're now going to repeat that with the left. So you're going to touch your left next to your right, bringing that knee in. Put your left heel out, knee out. You're going to step your left slightly forward and scuff your right heel. Let's try it with some counts. Stepping to the side, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step forward with our right, and you're going to scuff your left heel. You're going to step forward with your left, scuff your right heel. We're now going to do a lock step forward with our right foot. Step our right foot forward. Bring your left foot in and behind your right. Step your right foot forward. We're now going to do a chase half turn. So we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face the back wall. And then you're going to step forward with your left. We're going to end the dance by doing a syncopated rocking chair forward with our right. So we're going to rock our right foot forward, recover back onto your left, rock your right foot back, recover forward on your left. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We would have just scuffed. You're going to step scuff. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again with your heel hook. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your heel hook. Heel hook, grapevine to the right. Heel hook, grapevine to the left. Right, mambo, step left, coaster, cross, side rock, cross, side rock, cross, side slap, slap, clap, snap, side slap, slap, clap, snap, toe heel stomp, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, lock, step, half step, rocking chair. And that's the whole dance. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're doing your heel hook. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, and 8, and that is the whole dance. So now, let's talk about how to make it contra. It's going to be 2 lines. You can do multiple lines, but everybody's going to have a partner. So you're going to line up facing the person across from you for most of the dance. And when you are doing those step scuff part, that's when you're going to pass through the other person and you'll turn and make your new line. Other than that, you are facing the person across from you for the whole dance. So now, let's talk about the tag. So, the tag is the same for most of it, except for one part. So, the tag for the dance is a nice slow jazz box for each line. So, we're gonna cross our right over our left. So, we're gonna go cross, back, side, step forward, and then you're going to step forward with your right and do a lunge forward. Now it's different for each line. If your line started facing 12 o'clock, you're going to do the proposing. If your line started facing 6 o'clock, you're going to do the accepting. So it's a little bit different. When you're doing the proposing, you're going to go nice and low. If you would like to go all the way down on one knee, you can, but you just want to lean forward, pretend like you're holding a ring in your hands, and you're going to hold it for a good chunk of the tag. You're going to know to end it because the song is going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and at that point you're going to come back up and it's going to say wait, and then you're going to touch your right foot next to your left, ready to start the dance all over again. If you are accepting it, you're just going to go forward and lean forward into the person that's proposing and pretend that you're accepting their ring. And you will do the same thing. You'll come back onto that left, touch your right when it says wait, and then ready to dance the dance all over again. So now let's just try that tag. We're crossing over, so it's over, back, side, step, lean forward. And you're going to wait until it says 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to come up, touch your right next to your left. It's going to say wait, and then you're going to start the dance all over again. So here's a little information about the tag. It's not broken up into counts. It's broken up into words. So on each word that is emphasized, it's going to say 1, 2, 3, and then propose. On each of those, you want to go nice and slow. So it's going to say 1, 2, it will say something else, and then you're going to step forward and do that bend, and you're waiting in your lunge until it counts 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, that's the same for each line. So you'll just propose or accept the proposal, and then you dance the rest of the dance all the way through. So that's what it's like for a contra dance. If you're not doing it as a contra dance, you could just lean forward and do the proposal portion like I did in the demo. So now let's go around. We're going to do 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the tag and know how it flows into the next section. So now the tag is going to happen after the first 8 counts. So you're going to do your heel hooks and your grapevine, heel hook and your grapevine, and then you're going to do this tag. Nice and slow jazz box, and keep doing the rest. So now let's face the front. We're going to do the front wall with steps and the back wall with counts. When it comes to the tag portion, you choose which one you would like to do. So you're either getting nice and low and proposing, or you're accepting. You choose which one you would like to do. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your heel. Heel hook, side behind side touch. Heel hook, side behind side touch. Right mambo step, left coaster cross, side rock cross, side rock cross. Step, brush, brush, clap, snap. Step, brush, brush, clap, snap. Toe, heel, stomp, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, lock, step, step, half step. Rocking chair heel 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and heel hook, grapevine to the right, heel hook, grapevine to the left, right mambo, step left, coaster, cross, side rock, cross, step, side, slap, slap, clap, snap, step, side, slap, slap, clap, snap, toe, heel, stomp, stuff, step, lock, step, half step, rocking chair, heel, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and heel hook, grapevine to the right, heel hook, grapevine to the left, mambo step, coaster, cross, side rock, cross, slap, slap, clap, snap, slap, slap, clap, snap, toe, heel, stomp, step, lock, step, half step, rocking chair. Right here, you are going to dance the first 8 counts and then do your tag. So heel hook, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And right here, it's going to start the transition into the tag by saying lyrics with the words 1, 2, and you're going to do those slow jazz boxes. So you're crossing over, back, side, step forward and either propose or accept it, whichever one. And then you're holding. It's going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4, you want to be completely up. It's going to say wait. Now you're going to start the dance. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and that is the whole dance. So now my suggestion for the tag portion is that you listen to the song a couple times so you can hear how that part goes, so that you know how it flows into the music and you'll know how long to pause for everything. The tag is more about what is happening in the song and less about necessarily counts. But I hope this helps you learn Let's Get Married. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.